Question number 2a. Is every diameter of the circle is also called a chord? So can we call all the diameters as the chord of the circle? So for this we know that the definition of chord is that line segment which touches the boundaries of the circle, which touches both the boundaries of the circle is known as chord. So yes, diameter is touching the boundaries of both the both the boundaries of the circle, right? So yes, we can say that diameter is also known as chord of the circle. Clear na? You can see this is the circle. It is written there that the diameter, can I call this diameter chord also? So yes, we can call diameter chord also. Why? Because chord means that line which touches the boundaries of the circle. So it is touching the boundary of the circle na? So yes, we can say diameter also as the chord. Clear? Then next question is every chord of the circle also a diameter? For this answer, for this question, your answer will be no. Why? Because you know that a diameter is that line which passes from the center of the circle. Diameter is that line which passes from the center of the circle, not from any of the side. Clear na? Means if it is passing from here, then we cannot call it a diameter. This can only be known as the chord. If it passes from here, then again it can only be known as the chord, not as the diameter. Until and unless any line do not pass from the center, we cannot call it a diameter. Clear na? So a diameter can be known as chord, but a chord cannot be known as the diameter. Reason is diameter should always pass from the center of the circle and touch the boundary, but chord only should touch the boundary, not necessary that it is passing from center or any other part of the circle. Clear this thing? So if it is asked like, is every diameter is also the chord? So yes, every diameter means every middle line can be known as the chord because it is touching the boundary. Clear? And is every chord of the circle can be known as diameter? So no, all the chords cannot be known as the diameter. Why? Because they are not passing from the center. So question number 2 is also done now.